Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor DBJ De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing this afternoon will be I open up my over-the-range microwave oven and I try to inspect what's the damage inside. Because one time while we are using, we got smoke coming in from inside, emanating from this one. So it could be the rubber portion of the ventilation motor. This is the ventilation motor. It's horizontal. Okay, this is the core. First propeller, second propeller. Okay. So looking from the inside, still look good. Okay. These are the hole in which the heat from the magnetron will be coming out. Okay, and to show you the parts inside, this is the big capacitor needed by the magnetron. That's the magnetron. So when this magnetron is energized, it will try to bring out the microwave signal, and this is actually the container in which the microwave signal will be brought out, and it goes out inside this one. So whatever the heat coming out from the magnetron will be coming out from this, and that's the one that will be cooking or heating any food that's inside. Okay, from the look of it, it seems the circuit is still intact. So I blow this one a while ago. I remove the dust. It seems the magnetron is still good. We still got some overheating here. Okay, I try to clean this one with cotton swab with alcohol. I try to toggle the connector here so we could avoid any loose connection if there is. Okay, so this is the hole for the vent motor. Any what you call the smoke coming out from this one coming in will be sucked by this one, because this will rotate and this will come out here. And for this top portion, this is the connection that goes to the duct that goes through the wall. So actually the duct is actually mounted here. So whatever smoke coming from inside, it will come out here and it will come out here. It goes out to the duct. Okay. I tried to disconnect just the light. That's the connection for the light. Doesn't matter. Actually, we could check the operation of this one even with this one disconnected. And the connection of the, what they call this, what's the other one? This motor here. Okay, it got no belt. It's a direct belt driven rotator. I disconnected that one already. What I just would like to show is that if I will try to energize this one, okay, I will not cook any food. Okay, I will try to see if I will try to force the so-called fan, I will try to see if there is still smoke coming out. Because it seems the one that comes out is actually a burned, what do you call this, rubber. It's a burned rubber. So for now, this is ready to be tested. Okay? It's all clean. I blew it out. I clean it all. So if there's nothing more coming out as smoke, I think we could still operate this in its usable form. Good morning, good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David Jedler.